Hey beautiful people, welcome to my room tour. Hey beautiful people, it is your girl Dez Hopkins and I am showing you guys my room tour today. I've been super excited to show you guys. I've been waiting for so long, making sure everything's perfect, adding little things here and there, and so I cannot wait to show you guys what I've been working on. Okay, so the first thing that you see when you walk into my bedroom is the bed, and honestly, as soon as I saw this right here online, I knew I had to have it. This is actually from a boutique and it's Louis Vuitton inspired. And then let me get you guys to the bed. So the color of my comforter was a topic of discussion for a while because I didn't want to go dark, but then I didn't want to go too light because I'm a little clumsy, I'm a little messy. But I felt like the color white for my duvet just opened the room, and this fluffy texture is just so girly and fun. So this is from Amazon, which it also came with pillow sets as well. Okay, so when it comes to the pillows, this is a set with this. So these are both from Amazon right here, but then these are actually from TJ Maxx, and if you look closely, they have like these sparklers on them, so it kind of reflects and it just feels so nice. This is from TJ Maxx as well. And then these pillows were old ones that we had in the house, but they just worked perfectly with the vibe. Let's get into the headboard. Now, as soon as I saw this headboard on Wayfair, I had to have it. This is a gray tuft headboard and it's diamond studded as well. So we have these like diamonds right here along the sides of them, and the material feels so nice and comfy, and it's just great quality. I love Wayfair, and I will have all the links that I can provide to a lot of these items in my room, so don't worry, I got you. Now if you come up here, this is actually a thrifted item. See, I know how to be, you know, a little baddie on a budget. So this is actually from the thrift store. I can't remember which one it was from, but I felt like it went so pretty with the vibe and complements the headboard as well. So it's a chandelier and it has just diamonds as well, and it's just so pretty and grand that I felt like when you come into the room, this is the focal point. This is what you see. When it comes to my end table, my nightstand, I wanted clean lines but still a little glamour, and I just felt like this mirrored side table doesn't distract you too much. It doesn't grab your attention fully, but then it's also nice to look at, and I just have some cute things on here. This is from TJ Maxx. It's just a cute little teddy bear, but it's pink, so you know I had to have it. And then I have two books on here. One is my goals, and the other is like a notepad, but you have quotes on it. So I love this, and I feel like the little pen just makes it cute. And then I have this lamp right here. This is from Home Goods as usual. I think this is actually from Home Goods as well, but nothing here is too distracting to where you're looking at it for too long. Okay, so if you guys can't already tell, there's a reoccurring thing in my room, and that is sparkles, diamonds, glitters. You guys know I'm a glitter girl, so I have to have it in my room. And when I saw this at Home Goods, I was like, yeah, you're coming home with me. So this was perfect, and it just fits in my room. I love the gold and silver reflex, but I also had to get a little something for my cats. Now if you come down here, Salt and Sugar have their own little hangout spot. This I got at either PetSmart or Petco. I'll try to find the link if I can. But it's a 2-cubby cat tree, but it has fur on it. And one thing about me is when it comes to cat furniture, I really don't like the carpet kind of tacky thing. So when I saw this, I was like, wow, you never see anything like this. And it's just so fluffy and cute, and has a lot of storage for the cats. This is their baby blanket, so I just stuffed that in there. But this was such a good buy, and I feel like it's still girly enough to be in my room. So I love this. And then I just put my little sandy wipes from Juicy Couture on top of it. Another thing you'll keep seeing in my room is the color pink. I like to make everyday things decor, so you'll see a little bit more of that. Let's get to the next area. Check out another piece from Home Goods. As you can see, I can't stay out of Home Goods, and I probably never will, but this is another piece that I felt like matched my vibe perfectly. The black detail and just the fact that it's black and it stands out against the pink, I felt like fit perfectly in my room. And we also have two more things that are from Home Goods. Now this picture I actually got a couple years ago. I personally really love black art. I feel like you don't see it a lot, so when I see a piece like this, I immediately grab it. And then last but not least from Home Goods is this neon light that says love, and I really liked it because it's pink, but it also brought something new to my room. But I honestly feel like the star of this little corner is my star projector. So this is a BlissLights Skylight 2.0, and it just has so many settings that transform my room, especially when it's nighttime. I'm somebody who has trouble going to sleep, so I'll put on my rain sounds or my wave sounds, turn on this light, and I'm transformed into a whole nother world. And you'll see that later in this video. Let's get into these curtains. Now, when I thought about my windowsill before everything, I didn't want anything that was too simple, but I also didn't want anything too crazy because I've got a lot going on in here. So let's start with this. You have this gray curtain right here that even has a clip. So you start out with this one and it's like, oh, okay, cute. And then you get to this one, which has like the silver speckles against the lighter gray. And it gets a little bit more crazier. And then now we get into the pearls. Now this one out of all of them is actually my favorite, because I think the pearls just add something so pretty to it. I don't know, it's girly, but then it's not too much. And then these curtains also just add a little bit more flavor too. These are from Ross and the rest of them are Home Goods. So I really like this, and I think that it opens up the room with the colors, just the gradient effect that it has. So you go from dark to light and it makes the room even more. Alright, last but not least is this beautiful vanity, you guys. Whew, this was a pretty penny. This was a pretty penny, but it was worth it, and I feel like it just speaks for itself. It has the diamond handles and the diamond encrusted inside of the desk. I feel like you guys see that I really like mirrors. I just feel like it's pretty, and we're back in with the pink items because, like I told you guys, I like to use everyday things for decor. So I have this Tatcha lip balm that's pink, but it's really pretty. Brush cleaner. The Thank You Next packaging, I just feel like was perfect for it. It's got the black, the light gray, the pink. We have another little teddy bear, a fan, and these foundations from Too Faced. But the packaging is just so cute. Like, how could I not display these? So I have that. And then last but not least is my HomePod. Now this is really important to me because I'm the type of girl that when I'm getting ready or when I'm in the zone with my makeup, I love to have music playing. And the HomePod is white. I made sure I chose white because I wanted to make sure it was bright and still clean. And then these candle holders from Bath and Body Works. Now these sell out so quickly, it's annoying. If you want to get one of these, as soon as it gets in stock, you need to grab it. So if you come a little closer, you can see that it even has like a little sparkle to it. I tried to adorn my vanity with things that I use every day but still looks pretty. So if you peek behind here, I actually have my sponges, but I put them in this case so that it looks like decor and it just looks cute and pretty. But it's tucked away behind here. I feel like the lights and everything, it's just so grand and pretty that when you come in the room, it takes your breath away. And so that's what I wanted to feel when I come to my vanity. I wanted to feel like a princess and special. And I want to feel like I'm just like, you know, just being taken care of when I come to my vanity and feeling great. So these are the kind of things that I put on my vanity. I don't know if I'll switch these out anytime soon, but I love it. It has a lot of space as well. And if you guys want, I can even do a vanity tour of all my makeup so you guys can see what's going on. But it has a good amount of space, even the top drawer. So there's a lot going on with this vanity. And then if you look up, I actually have a shelf. So the shelf is pretty simple. I have heels, I have lips, and I have a cross. And I just wanted to explain everything really quick because I feel like I picked these items out with a purpose. So I have the heels because of fashion. This is also another thrift store find, by the way. Then I have the lips because of makeup, and this is actually chocolate, or it was a case for chocolate, but I felt like this was just so cute it had to be on display. So that's why I got this. And then I got this cross as well because I love God. He is my life, he motivates me, and he takes care of me. So I felt like this really signified a little bit of who I am, and that's why it's at the highest point of my room. Really quick, we have to get into this vanity chair, also from Home Goods, you already know. And this is so comfortable, you guys. Like, it's plushy. I think it has like some kind of memory foam, but I think the baby pink really makes it stand out. Something that I would have loved though is for it to have diamonds in it as well, but you know, I'm just extra. But it's this baby pink chair, and it actually swivels all the way around, can do a whole 360. And I think this is perfect because the tuft part of it just makes it more feminine. It makes it more pretty and adds some glamour. So when I tuck my chair in and it all comes together, it looks perfect. Alright, so we just have to start on this wall over here. I love this. This looks like somebody kissed it and then just hung it up on the wall. It even says XOXO, and it's got that glitter theme that I really love. It's just so cute. So I had to get this. I think it's from TJ Maxx or Home Goods, but I'm not sure. Then we have this mirror that I got a couple years ago, and I think it's modern, but then still a little bit traditional. It's the perfect balance. If you can tell, my style is in the middle usually, and it's perfect for when I want to take a cute little IG video. I think it's the perfect size. I'm about 5'5", 5'6", and it can even hang up, so I love this mirror. And then we got a little bit more glitter with this trash can. This trash can was from Home Goods, and it's actually like a rose gold color. It even glitters, if you can see, like it glitters as soon as you turn it, and it's nice and strong. I don't like to put a lot of trash in it because I just think it's so pretty. But yeah, this is from Home Goods as well, and I think it's so cute. Guys, let's get into the jewel of the room, and that's the chandelier. You guys, this is so glamorous to me. I got this from Home Depot. I know what you're thinking, girl. Home Depot? Yes, I got it from Home Depot, and it looks so luxury. Honestly, the price I paid for it, you just would not believe. It was much more affordable than you think. So if you're looking for a chandelier, I would head down to Home Depot and see if you guys could get one, because I love this. I love the jewels, I love the shape, the details. It's just gorgeous, and you can actually put different types of lighting in it, and it was even easy to install. So this is the jewel of my room, and it makes it even better. Alright, you guys, so that is the end of my room tour. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys like the little oasis that I created in my room. I'm very much a pink girl, so I hope that wasn't too much pink for you, but at the end of the day, I'm glad you guys made it to the end of the video. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hopefully you comment down below and you give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.